Welcome to our guide on managing through culture. As a leader, understanding and nurturing your organization's culture is essential for success. Let's explore 7 tips and tricks for leaders. Tip 1. Lead by example. Influence your company's culture. Participate actively in teamwork, inspiring team members to share your enthusiasm. Tip 2. Educate and communicate. Cultivate understanding through education and open dialogue. Lead workshops, discussing company values with employees. Tip 3. Listen to your team. Value the perspectives of your team members. Listen to feedback from employees, with thought bubbles representing their ideas and suggestions. Tip 4. Embrace diversity. Promote inclusion where all are valued. Advocate diversity, with employees from diverse backgrounds working harmoniously. Tip 5. Celebrate diversity. Embrace cultural diversity at work. Plan cultural festivities, with employees enjoying food, music, and celebration. Tip 6. Empower your team. Trust your team to make meaningful contributions. Empower employees to take the lead on projects, with supportive guidance along the way. Tip 7. Foster innovation. Encourage creativity and innovation to drive growth. Inspire employees to think outside the box, with light bulbs symbolizing new ideas sparking around them. By implementing these tips and tricks, you can effectively manage through culture, creating a positive and thriving environment for your team. Thanks for watching.